Great tips that can help you become a better golfer. Golf is an interesting and exciting sport that can be as fun to play as it is to watch. It isn't easy, however, and everyone from the beginner to the pro can benefit from the following tips and tricks. Just by trying one of these tricks, you may learn something you didn't know before. A helpful tip when it comes to golf is to consider taking lessons. This may benefit you greatly because a good teacher will be able to spot ways that you can improve your game and point out things that you might not have realized on your own. There is always room to improve and grow. A helpful tip when it comes to golf is to be sure to tip the helpful people that bring you beverages or food while on the course. It cannot be easy to be out there in the hot sun all day serving other people. Take care of people in the service industry and they will be sure to take care of you in return. A helpful tip when it comes to golf is to make sure that you do not even attempt to play a round of golf on a course until you are at least competent at hitting the ball. This is important because you will save yourself much frustration and embarrassment by doing so. A helpful tip when it comes to golf is to try playing a golf video game if you are unfamiliar with golf. This is a great learning tool to help you learn the rules, club selection, and overall feel for the game. Of course, this will do little to no assistance with your actual performance, but it is a great introduction to the game. A helpful tip when it comes to golf is to know the different types of competition types that can be played. This will enable you to understand how to play the game properly. Generally, golf is played either as stroke or match play. This, respectively, would be either based off of the winner of each individual hole versus the overall score for the entire course. When golfing in windy conditions, remember the saying, swing with ease into the breeze. Don't overswing into the wind and cause your ball to shoot upward and catch wind, resulting in a worse and less predictable path. Use softer strokes to keep the ball in your control rather than the wind. Pay attention to your timing. Moving too quickly will cause the ball to swerve off to the right, while moving too slowly will cause the ball to hook to the left. Your body position should be matched up carefully with the movement of your arms to ensure the ball travels where you want it to go. A little research can go a long way, and you might see a real improvement in your game and technique by giving the previous tips a try. In the end, though, the best thing you can do is go out there and take the sport seriously while still having a great time. This one secret, dead simple move, is so powerful and easy to learn, you'll start hitting powerful, accurate, flush golf shots in minutes. Visit secretgolfhack.com to learn all of this and more. Ben Hogan's real golf swing secret, that he took to his grave, is finally discovered. And it's unlike anything you've ever seen before. Visit secretgolfhack.com to discover the secret and more. Link in the description.